Welcome to Brick Technology. Customized products are big news, a trend that looks set to keep on growing in 2022 as more people seek out unique merchandise. If you run a print-on-demand, direct-to-garment, or any print business, you're probably wondering how to get an edge over your many competitors. You need a total turnkey solution that will put your company in pole position. That solution is the Brick Factory. We have taken all of our knowledge, innovation, experience, and dedication, blending them seamlessly together to create the Brick Factory, a powerful, super secure cloud portal designed expressly with print-on-demand and DTG e-commerce merchandising companies firmly in mind. Based on state-of-the-art technology and offering access to a superlative suite of features, the Brick Factory lets users manage every aspect of their business in real time from any device they choose. We tailor the Brick Factory exactly to meet your requirements. A superb selection of bespoke modules can be configured in infinite ways, all designed to make running your print-on-demand or DTG business as easy, efficient, and effective as it can be, letting you reach and then exceed your potential. Even the most complex and time-consuming chores become a matter of swift simplicity when you use the Brick Factory. Synchronize with major accounting systems and leading suppliers to improve your inventory with thousands of products. Integrate with WooCommerce, eBay, Shopify, WordPress, Amazon, and even unique stores. Come and see us at the Printwear and Promotion Live exhibition and find out how you can make your conversion rates go through the proverbial roof.